What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today's video, we're on our way to Morrow County OHV, so stay tuned. Alright, I know it's been a little while since I've filmed a video, but in this video we are celebrating 10,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you guys all for subscribing to the video, and you haven't already, make sure you do so down below. And yeah, so let's go ahead, head on to the Morrow County. Let's go and let's do this.
One eternity later.
All right, it is the next morning. We are here. We're all set up. We showed up in the dark and got everything set up. We got Ray's over here. We're set up over here. Alex is set up over here, and we got Mick's new machine sitting over here. But we're all set up. Seems to be a pretty cool little campsite. Not really little, it's pretty huge actually. Might give you a tour a little bit later. But they got a little restaurant over here. And then supposedly there's a little dirt bike track over here for kids to learn how to ride and stuff. But we'll take a little look around. Should be cool, should be fun. And it's gonna be dusty. It's gonna be a dusty ride. So hopefully we survive that.
A few moments later.
So I guess they have a little play area right over here. So we're gonna jump into Alex's YXZ. We're gonna check it out, and he's gonna take us for a little rip. So let's go ahead and jump in the machine and show you guys the little play area they got going on over here. wants to take his dirt bike to the kids track, so we'll show you the kids track, and he wants to show you his skills. So are we gonna head out there now and show your skills?
Yep.
What do you want to tell everybody? Don't you have a new channel? He's got a new channel. He just started it. Make sure you hit that link down below. It's at Carson Extreme. Make sure you check out his channel. Subscribe, please, please, please. He's enjoying doing YouTube. He'll have a video up from this trip, so make sure you check that out. Let's head over to the kids motocross track. Let's see you hit this jump over here. There you go, full send, full speed, let's go. Nice.
2 hours later.
They're doing mud bogs over there. Let's go check it out, bro.
Why don't we do it? I mean, I'm pretty sure you hit that shit at like 20 miles an hour and you were soaked.
I had to take a shower and I don't want to take another shower, so let's go see these fools get wet and dirty. Ooh, you got it. Keep her going. You got it, you got it.
Bounce on it.
Send it.
Go backwards.
You can do it with speed. You just need speed. Hammer down. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. You got it. Didn't even get your pretty old little socks wet. You got it! You got it! Hell yeah!
How did you get that?
The next day. So we got the RC crawlers out, found some rocks we're gonna go climb, see what we can do.